In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira with Monday.com in just 5 minutes. This integration will streamline your workflow and improve your project management efficiency, making it easier to manage tasks across both platforms seamlessly. Firstly, let's head over to Monday.com, open your web browser and navigate to the Monday.com homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a Login button. Go ahead and click on that. If this is your first time logging into Monday.com, you'll be prompted with a choice. You can either log in using your Google account or with an email address that's already linked to your Monday account. Select the option that suits you best and proceed to log in. For those who have logged in before, you'll be automatically directed to your Monday workspace after signing in. Next, let's access the Marketplace section. To do this, keep an eye on the upper right side of your screen again. You'll see a dotted square icon. Click on that to enter the Marketplace. This is where you can explore various apps and integrations to enhance your Monday.com experience. Once inside the Marketplace, you'll find a search bar at the top. Type in Jira integration and press enter. This will bring up the app that you need for the integration process. Click on the app to proceed with the installation. On the installation page, you'll be presented with a list of workspaces. Choose the one where you want to use this integration. It's essential to select the correct workspace because that's where the integration will be active after setup. After installation, you'll be taken to a section filled with automation templates that you can use. These templates are designed to make using the integration between Jira and Monday.com incredibly straightforward. You can scroll through and explore various templates that may suit the specific tasks you want to streamline. Upon selecting a template, set it up according to your needs. This step is essential because it allows you to customize the automation to fit perfectly into your workflow. Keep in mind though, to use this integration to its fullest potential, you should have your own Jira account set up beforehand. If you don't have a Jira account yet, take a moment to create one. Once your Jira account is ready and integrated, you'll be able to use this automated setup on your Monday.com boards effectively. It will enhance task management, allowing for smoother project transitions and better communication between your teams on both platforms. And there you have it, your Jira is now integrated with Monday.com. You can now enjoy an optimized and coordinated workflow. Thanks for tuning in and happy integrating.